Hey guys, Becky here, and I'm here to talk a little bit about my hair care journey with Briogeo. I have really dry, thin, fine hair that doesn't hold a ton of texture. Briogeo has greatly changed my hair journey. My favorite line currently that I've been using is the Don't Despair Repair line. Specifically, the deep conditioning mask has been amazing. I use it every time I wash my hair because I don't wash my hair super frequently because it is really thin and dry. So I have been using that, and it's just greatly honestly repaired my relationship with my hair. I feel like it's brought more life to it, more volume. It's given it some like moisture, some definition. I feel like my hair relationship has improved greatly since starting Briogeo, just because I didn't love my hair. It has been amazing to be able to use the Briogeo line and see some difference in my hair, honestly. Thanks for tuning along.